Hello, my name is Roland Joseph Baha with a student ID 301252375 with the course code of Comp229, course name of Web Application Development, and this is my assignment to Express Portfolio Authentication. And these are my links that we're gonna go through for my assignment number 2. But before that, let's go to my Visual Studio Code and check for my commands. And on the config file, as you can see, I have my app.js. This is where all my third-party packages are and where I set up my connections. So some of them is from assignment number 1, and I'm just gonna skip them, and I will just gonna show you the one that I added. So in here, this is my modules for authentication. This is where my express session and passport is. It's allow me to log in and log out on my database. And this is my database setup for the Mongoose and my database DB db.js. As you can see, it's in this one. This is where I can connect to my URI, and this is more of it. And this is some of my connection to my Mongoose connection. And if there's if it show us if you're connected to the MongoDB when you run the Visual Studio, and if it's not, there's gonna be an error. I'm gonna show it to you right now. On that line, let's clear. So if I don't have an error, let's try node mon. You will see this one connected to MongoDB, which is this one. And as you can see, there is my this was I set up my express session, initialize my flash, my passport, and I think that's it for the one that I added. So let's go back to this one to database setup and to my DB URI, which is this one. This one is connected to my Atlas, and this is the URI that I have right now. And if we go to this link, you will see my MongoDB Atlas. So this is my collection. I have the contact business use, and I have some users in here. So for now, I'm gonna delete this one. Okay, because we have a lot. Apply. Okay, so right now we have 3 of them, and we have 6 on this one. So yeah. Okay, so this is where my collection is in the cloud, and I will show you my Heroku, and this is the list in there. I have this information in that collection. As you can see, I have this name, this name, and this name, this name, this name, and this name, which is all of this. So if I want to log in and you don't have a username or password, I can register a new one. So since I think I have a test already there, I'm gonna put test2 and email address of test2@yahoo.com, test number 2. So I'm gonna register, and as you can see, I am able to edit and delete it now. So let's delete this one first, which is my name. And they ask me if I want to delete it. If you press OK, it will be deleted. If you cancel it, it won't be deleted. So as you can see, you can edit some of the information. Let's edit some of them, like this one, Easter Bunny. Let's go with Fred the second. And we can edit the number to 416 second 2222. And maybe let's change the email address too, so that friend the second. And there you go. You have this information. And if I go back to my database, maybe I refresh it, and you can see the one that I have, Fred the second 416 second at yahoo.com. And for the user, I added test 2. This is test 1 that I have already. So I have a test 2. So let's try to log out. And this is the list. If you're not you're not logged in, you're not able to edit it. So yes, let's try again. So this is the one that I made today. I'm able to log in. So let's log out. Let's register again. There's no test 3. We're gonna make test 3 and or whatever that's this at yahoo yeah.com and T3. See, register never. You see there's welcome T3. Let's add again test 111 and so I added a new one. It should come out in here too. Okay, so I have this one test 3. That's the one that I type. And for the list, this is the one that I added, test 111 Roland Joseph Baha at yahoo.com. And that's it for my assignment number 2.